हेलो। मैं जानता हूँ आप सभी इस लॉकडाउन में अपने अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे और यह भी बतला देना चाहता हूँ कि अब हम एक नई रूटीन के साथ, नई दिनचर्या, नई जीवन शैली के साथ भविष्य में आगे आएंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस on a very important topic, that how to choose the subject after high school examination. This is a very critical problem before the students when they are going to take the admission in class 11th. It is very difficult that what subject we have to choose for the further study. Many kinds of influence, many kinds of pressure, and a kind of demonstration is also there in entire society to take that particular subject. But we know that our interest is not there. We are not interested towards that subject, but the influence and impacts are pressurized to us to select that particular subject. But whenever we are choosing the subject under a pressure due to any kinds of influence, then it is clear that this mistake is, or this mistake can spoil our future. Actually, a kind of concern is there in entire society that only engineer, doctor can earn the higher profit, higher income in their life. Only few subjects are having the importance and meaning in our life. But this is not the fact. ऐसा मानना सर्वथा अनुचित है कि कुछ विषय ही जीवन, हमारी भविष्य की आय, हमारे कैरियर को तय करते हैं। यह भी मानना बिल्कुल गलत है कि कुछ विषयों की सार्वजनिक जीवन में, हमारे जीवन शैली में कोई उपयोगिता नहीं है। I am hoping that all the subjects are having its importance and meaning in practical life, in real life. But the important thing is that a person is having the excellency in that subject. Whatever subject we have chosen, we have needed to excellency in that subject. किसी भी विषय को आप चयनित कीजिए, किसी भी विषय का आप चुनाव कीजिए, लेकिन उस पे आपकी दक्षता, आप उस विषय के कितने मर्मज्ञ हैं, यह ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। If you are having the efficiency, if you are having the skill, if you are having the excellent knowledge about that subject, then easily you can earn the name and fame in your life. तो ये कभी मत सोचिए कि कुछ विषयों की ही उपयोगिता है या कुछ विषय में ही कैरियर बन सकता है। But the main problem is that how we have to choose the subject, that which particular subject is appropriate subject for me or for us. Then you always remember that few of the points in your life whenever you are going to select a particular subject for your further study. The first thing is that first of all you have to measure, you have to evaluate your own efficiency. आप कितने योग्य हो, आप कितने दक्ष हो, आप इस चीज का निश्चित रूप से अवलोकन करो। उसके बाद ही अपनी दक्षता, अपनी ज्ञान के आधार पर विषय का चयन कीजिए। दूसरा महत्वपूर्ण विषय यह है कि नो अदर पर्सन इज अवेयर अबाउट आवर ओन कैपेबिलिटी। कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति हमारी क्षमता और हमारी योग्यता के बारे में नहीं जानता। हमें ही अपनी योग्यता और क्षमता का ज्ञान है। तो हम किसी के कहने से, किसी के दबाव पर विषय का चयन न करें, बल्कि हम अपनी योग्यता, अपनी क्षमता का मूल्यांकन कर ही विषय का चयन करें। The second thing, we always choose the subject as per our interest and choice, कि in which particular subject my own interest is there, my own choice is there. If we are taking any other subject due to the influence, due to the pressure of the others, but we are not having any interest on that, we are not having any choice in that particular subject, so never in future we can prove ourselves in that subject. हम कभी उस विषय पर अपनी योग्यता और दक्षता को प्रमाणित नहीं कर पाएंगे। So always you remember कि you have to check your capability, you have to check your interest and choice, and thereafter the third thing is that decide your goals and ambitions. Everybody is having the different ambitions in their life, different goals in their life. And if we are choosing the any subject due to the influence of the others, due to the impact of the others, their choices are different, their ambitions are different, my interest and ambitions are different. So how we can get the success in that particular subject? So we have to choose our subject as per our interest, as per our ambitions, as per our goals. Now always remember the thing that if you are having the excellent command in any subject, it may be Hindi, it may be Sanskrit, it may be astrology, it may be palmistry, it may be sociology, it may be physics, it may be chemistry. If you are having the excellency, if you are having the perfect knowledge, if you are having a good command in your subject, then easily you can earn your livelihood, you can earn the name and fame from that subject, from your study. Thereafter, one more thing is there. Already I told that many kinds of influence, many kinds of pressure, many kinds of impacts are working at that time on us, on everyone, that you have to choose that subject. And if we are choosing the subject as per their influence, as per their impact, then it may be that our decision will be wrong. ऐसा संभव है कि जब आप किसी के दबाव, किसी के प्रभाव और किसी अन्य की क्षमता के अनुसार अपने विषय का चयन करते हैं तो एक बेहतर भविष्य की कल्पना करना कठिन होगा. So I am hoping that our students who are recently appeared in the 10th board examination and in future they are going to select the any particular diversified group for further study, any particular subjects for further study, then you have to decide, you have to choose your subject as per your interest, as per your choice, as per your capability, as per your goals and ambitions of your life, and think that if we are excellent in any subject, then easily we can earn the name and fame from that subject. Every subject is having its own meaning, its own importance in real life. And in your further study, one more thing you have to remember, that always you have tried to correlate your subject with real life and application of those knowledge with the real life and practical life. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay.